Hello everyone, I'm Peter. Today I'm going to compare the Evo 12 Pro and the Evo 12 Ultra. And this is the Evo 12 Ultra and this one is the Evo 12 Pro. From the screen, the first difference is the size. The Evo 12 Ultra is longer than the Evo 12 Pro. The length is 47.6mm and the Evo 12 Pro is the 44mm. It is the same size as the Apple Watch Series 5. And then the Evo 12 Ultra is thicker than the Evo 12 Pro. And we can compare the back. And the Evo 12 Ultra is the shining case, and the Evo 12 Pro is matte case. The second difference is the watch faces. The Evo 12 Ultra has 14 watch faces and the Evo 12 Pro has 39 watch faces. And it also has the Mickey and Minnie watch face. The Evo 12 Ultra has also have the Mickey watch face, and it has the new watch faces in the Oppo watch. Then the difference is the screen size. The Evo 12 Ultra has the screen at 1.78 inch and the Evo 12 Pro is 1.54 inch. And we can compare, it is bigger. The Evo 12 Ultra has bigger screen than the Evo 12 Pro. And then let's go inside. The UI design. We can see the Evo 12 Pro has the 4 apps view and the Evo 12 Ultra has the 9 apps view. And both has the smart style. But the Evo 12 Ultra can rotate the round button to enlarge. But the Evo 12 Pro currently do not support the rotate function. The Evo 12 Ultra has some functions such as the blood pressure and the temperature and the immunity that the Evo 12 Pro do not have. And the Evo 12 Pro has the breathe function. And also it supports Siri. And the vibrator and the Alipay. But the Evo 12 Ultra do not have these two. So finally, the Evo 12 Ultra has some upgraded functions, and also it has the big screen and can see some more details. But the Evo 12 Pro is still the best copy of the Apple Watch 5, and the size is exactly the same as the Apple Watch Series 5. And also the design is the best design in the market till now. Also, the Iwo 12 Pro has two sizes, the 44mm and the 40mm. Also, the Iwo 12 Ultra only has one size. And the Iwo 12 Pro can fit all those Apple Watch Series 5 accessories such as the protective case, straps, and etc. But due to the Iwo 12 Ultra has bigger size, it cannot fit those accessories. And the final difference is the app. The Iwo 12 Ultra app is the firmware, and the Iwo 12 Pro is the Phantom. And we can compare the two apps. The Phantom app looks more beautiful and better, and it with more functions such as the report. And it also can connect to Apple Health. But the firmware do not support to the Apple Health. So it is unable to synchronize those data to the Apple Health, but the Phantom app can synchronize these data to the Apple Health. So, which one do you prefer? Okay, so that's all those details in our compare video. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.